Let me guess, your motivation for the job search is waning. You want the job, for sure, but all that work, can't I just get a job already? This is going to be controversial for sure, but stay with me. The book Drive by Daniel H. Pink talks about the surprising truth about what motivates us. This is going to be enlightening and damning at the same time. And in the book, he talks about two types of people, type I and type X. Type I are intrinsically or internally motivated. Type X are extrinsically or externally motivated. So I want you to think, what really drives you for the job? Do you really want to code? Or do you just want the pay packet that was promised at the start of this journey? Now, I told you this was going to be controversial, but dig deep, stay with me for a second. Now, Daniel goes on to say that people are rarely type I or type X. One can become the other. You're never one in a binary sense. However, he does go on to say that type X people rarely go on to become masters of their craft. They fail to reach those levels that type I can achieve. In effect, they lose motivation or they burn out. Does that sound familiar? So, coding is hard. Keeping up is hard. We finally get the job and then all of a sudden we start spending the fruits of that labour. Whereas for others, the learning has just begun. They go on to master their subject. They chase mastery, not merely the money. Now, we all profess to be type I, but secretly, we're unsettled by the truth. And so let's come back to the job search. Do you really want to know how to stand out, how to network, how to attract the right employers? I mean, it's a valuable skill to learn, right? Money in the bank. This is going to pay dividends in the future. But you don't really want to learn how. You're actually type X in this scenario, aren't you? And so, motivation is hard to maintain. Mastery is going to be even harder to attain. It's funny, when you see it this way, you realise why you always struggle, why motivation is in abundance at the beginning, and then every single time it just starts to drift away. Burnout, lack of discipline, call it what you want, but there is an answer. Attack everything like you want to master it and the fruits will come. Chase the fruits and you'll be back here soon. So, don't hope for a job. Master the search.